Planning to travel with your furry companion? Taking your dog along on a trip can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it also requires preparation to ensure a smooth journey. Here are some top tips to make your trip with your dog stress-free. Number 1. Plan ahead. Before you embark on your trip, make sure you do your research. Check the pet policies of your destination, accommodation, and mode of transportation, whether it's a plane, train, or car. Some places have breed or size restrictions, and others may require advance notice for pets. Booking a pet-friendly hotel and ensuring your destination welcomes dogs will make the journey far more enjoyable. Number 2. Visit the vet. Schedule a vet appointment before traveling to ensure your dog is healthy and fit for travel. Make sure your dog's vaccinations are up to date and ask your vet for a health certificate if you're flying, as many airlines require it. Additionally, discuss any potential motion sickness or anxiety your dog may experience and ask about anti-anxiety or motion sickness medications if necessary. Number 3. Pack essentials. Just like packing for yourself, your dog needs a travel kit too. Make sure you pack food and water, bring enough for the entire trip, and pack collapsible bowls for easy feeding. Treats and toys. Familiar items can help keep your dog calm and entertained. Leash and collar. Ensure your dog has proper identification tags. Bedding or blanket. A familiar scent will help your dog feel comfortable in new surroundings. Waste bags. Always be prepared for bathroom breaks. First aid kit. Include basics like bandages, antiseptic wipes, and any necessary medications. Number 4. Prepare for car travel. If you're driving, ensure your dog is safely secured. A dog seatbelt, harness, or crate will keep your dog safe in case of sudden stops. Take regular breaks for bathroom and exercise to keep your dog from getting restless. If your dog gets car sick, avoid feeding them right before the trip and keep the car well ventilated. Number 5. Air travel tips. If you're flying, check your airline's pet policy well in advance. Small dogs are usually allowed in the cabin if they can fit comfortably in a carrier under the seat. Ensure the carrier is airline approved and that your dog is used to being inside it. For larger dogs, they may need to travel in the cargo hold, so confirm the airline's safety regulations for pet travel. Number 6. Practice with short trips. If your dog isn't used to traveling, start with short trips to help them acclimate. Take them for a drive around the neighborhood or a short stay at a pet-friendly hotel. Gradually increase the length of the trips to help your dog become comfortable with longer journeys. Number 7. Keep your dog calm. Some dogs can become anxious when traveling, so it's important to keep them calm. Bringing familiar items like their favorite toy or blanket can help. You can also play soft music or use calming sprays, like those with lavender or chamomile, to create a soothing environment. If your dog tends to get very anxious, talk to your vet about potential calming aids like CBD or prescription medications. Number 8. Check pet policies at your destination. Make sure you know the rules regarding pets at your destination. Many parks, beaches, and public spaces have specific areas for dogs, but others may not allow them at all. Also, be sure to understand any leash laws in the area to avoid fines or other issues. Number 9. Hydration and snack. Keep your dog hydrated, especially during long trips or if you're visiting a hot destination. Carry plenty of water and offer it regularly. Bring along your dog's favorite snacks or treats to reward good behavior and keep them happy on the journey. Number 10. Accommodate bathroom breaks. Plan frequent stops for bathroom breaks, especially on long car rides. Look for rest stops or parks where your dog can stretch their legs and relieve themselves. Make sure to clean up after your dog and always have waste bags handy. Number 11. Keep identification updated. Ensure your dog's collar has an updated ID tag with your contact information. It's also a good idea to microchip your dog in case they get lost. If you're traveling internationally, ensure your dog's microchip meets the destination country's standards. Number 12. Be mindful of weather conditions. If you're traveling during extreme heat or cold, be mindful of how it affects your dog. Never leave your dog in a parked car, as temperatures can rise or drop quickly. Plan your activities based on the weather to keep your dog comfortable and safe. Number 13. Respect local etiquette. When traveling to a new place, it's important to be respectful of local customs regarding pets. Not all cultures or countries may welcome dogs in the same way, so always ask about pet-friendly areas and be courteous to others. Keep your dog on a leash and clean up after them to ensure you and your pet are good ambassadors for travelers with dogs. Number 14. Exercise regularly. Make sure your dog gets plenty of exercise during the trip. Take time to let them burn off energy through walks, runs, or visits to dog parks. This will help them relax and reduce any anxiety from being in an unfamiliar place. Number 15. Stay calm and flexible. Traveling with a dog requires patience and flexibility. If your dog seems stressed, take extra breaks or adjust your schedule. Keep calm, as dogs often pick up on their owner's emotions. The more relaxed you are, the better your dog will feel. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to True Traveler for more travel videos, safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.